I'm not sure that what you're watching. Mama, wait. I said, show them what you're watching. Ah, the lighting is too much. Let me adjust it. Mm. Tell them that you're a baby, that you want to climb me. Mm. Let's go inside. Hmm? Which color do you use? Alasa, Mama.
Quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack.
Some quack quack. Hmm? Yeah. Yeah, you're okay. You want your quack quack? So, this is how small my baby eats. As small as this. This is what she eats. I just give her very tiny like this. And then most times we use fufu. So you can start with fufu if this one is hard. Yeah, Mama, ah. Good job. She will pack the soup into her mouth. It's okay, Mama. Oh, she's so cute. I mean, yeah. It's okay, it's okay. She likes soup. Let's go outside, Mama. Let's go outside. Hmm? Ah, that's it. 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 Mama, come and take. Pack it, Mama. Put it inside like this. Good job. Put it inside. Good job, Mama. Good job. Is Mama helping Mommy? Good job, Mama. Good job. Yes. Good job, Mama. Mia is a good girl. Mm-hmm. That's all my daughter did. Inside, put it inside, put it inside. Yeah, Mama, go and bring another one. Mama, go and bring another one. Mama, see them here. Good job, Mama. Put it inside, put it inside, put it inside, put it inside. Good job, Mama. Oh, yeah, Mama, bring that one there. See, Mama. It's hot. I've been feeling hot since. Huh? Not to warm am now. Nothing, just to warm it. Let's see, I'm busy my phone. Squash mallows. Paisley. So this one's name is Paisley. It's so cute. Oh my god. My daughter will love it. And then because my son said he wants the same thing. So it's two of it. Actually, I did not see the one that is so cute for boys. And I didn't like the one that was there for boys. So just I just bought the same thing for them. Let me go and surprise them. Hang on and watch the surprise. Guess what? You are not excited. Mama, why is your face like that? Mama, come and take. You love it, Mama. Do you like it, Afelua? Are you sure? So people will not tell me thank you. If I keep on not excited though. What's going on? Mama, come and take your mellow. Take your mellow, Mama. Mellow. Like pillow. Yes. Not like pillow, but you're supposed to hug it. Hug it, Mama. Yes. Good job, Mama. Good job, Mama. Is Mama again? You want to feed Squishy? You are feeding Squishy? Mama is feeding a Squishmellow.
Yes.
And that's it.
The morning of the 7th, everybody remembers where they were at that moment. Active duty and reserve soldiers alike immediately packing their bags and responding to a call that had not yet